Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to make movie on Roblox Infinite Craft game. First of all, we have to start with Earth and just tap on Earth to make, just drag Earth over Earth to make mountain. And once we have mountain, just drag Earth over here and wind over it to make dust. Now combine dust with dust to make sand. Now drag fire over sand to make glass. Now combine glass with glass to make window. Now combine wind with window to make curtain. Now combine mountain with curtain to make stage. Now combine stage with stage to make theater. Now just drag theater, fire over theater to make movie. This is how you can make movie on Infinite Craft. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.